Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Avenza Maps for offline mapping. So if you're traveling somewhere without internet or cellular service, just follow along. First, open the Avenza Maps app while you're connected to the internet. Next, download or import the maps you'll need before leaving. And wait until the download is fully complete before disconnecting from Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, open the downloaded maps from My Maps section. Allow the app to access your location, and even without an internet connection, Avenza Maps can continue showing your GPS location on downloaded maps. You can zoom in and out and add place marks, record GPS tracks, and navigate using the offline map. You just need to remember that you'll need to download all required maps before heading into an area without service. So that was how to use Avenza Maps for offline mapping. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.